Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am taking a trip to Baba Balak Nath temple from Chandigarh. The distance via road is 184 kilometers. I could not get the time to make a long and complete video. I have captured some road views. Traffic is very smooth here. On the way to Baba Balak Nath ji, you can also visit famous Gurdwara, Kiratpur and Anandpur Sahib. After this Gurdwara, you will reach to Una city and you will have to take Hamirpur road. The temple is only 64 kilometers from there. In this video, I am going to share some interesting stories about Baba Balak Nath ji, such as he was a big devotee of Adi Yogi Lord Shiva. Baba Balak Nath ji is a Hindu deity who is worshipped with great reverence in the North Indian state of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Delhi. His place of worship is known as Dyot Siddha. This temple is located in Hamirpur. It is believed that Babaji was born in all the ages such as Satyuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and in the present Kali Yuga. And in each Yuga he was different, known by different names like Skanda in Satyuga, Kal in Treta Yuga and Mahakal in Dwapar Yuga. In each of his incarnations, he helped the poor and helpless and destroyed their sorrow, pain, and suffering. I hope he will help me as well. Balak means young. In Dwapar Yuga, Lord Shiva blessed him to be Paramsiddha in Kali Yuga. That he would remain as Balak means young and age would not affect him. Mahakal of Dwapar Yuga got birth in Kali Yuga at Kathiawad in house of Narayan Vishnu and Lakshmi. Parent named his name as Dev. Dev was very religious from his childhood and he used to pray all the times. His parents then tried to marry him so that he cannot leave the home. Dev was not ready for this. He left the home and came to Himachal Pradesh and worshipped in the cave. The cave is known as Baba Balaknath Dyot Siddha Temple. There is a story behind it. When Baba Balaknath reached cave, a demon came out of the cave and warned Babaji to go away. Babaji, by his Siddha Shakti, forced the demon to vacate the cave for Babaji's meditation. The demon understood the state of affairs and went away. Then Babaji settled there for meditation. Bhartihari also settled for meditation near that cave. Because he was brahmachari, that is why women are not allowed in the cave. You can reach here via car, bus. You can travel via train from Chandigarh to Una, and after that you can take a bus or hire a taxi. Once you reach the temple, there would be a parking area. It would cost you 50 rupees for a day. If you use your car or your own convenience, the roads are very good and fast, so you can drive here without getting tired.